Yo, Sanborn. I'm looking for a moderator. Ngifuna ukwenza live manje nginenyongo. I need someone who's gonna run things. Yabo, someone who's will be moderator. Anyone, any volunteers? Sanbonani and welcome to the live stream. Sanborn. Yeah. Basically ngifuna ukwenza live. Yabo le live kuzogcwala. I estimate ukuthi at least abantu bazofika ku500 or 1000. Mina ngiphethe umkhuhlane. I just need to sleep. Ayikho umuntu ufuna ukuba i-moderator. Mabe send ama-gifts, imali izoya kuyena. He or she gets to manage the live, afike nama-topics. Uba ufuna exposure. Who wants exposure? Who wants... Yeah. Yo, ngiyafa. Nyongo. Sanibonani, sokhuluma ngani? LGBTQ. Bathi, they say that bafuna introduce ey'koleni as curriculum as something efundwa. I don't know if people agree with this. Niyavuma, nivuma. Nenze njani? Do we agree? Sithi ayifundwe ey'koleni lento. Hey, ngiyakutshela ngicine ngila inyongo, yabo? Ngine-flu. Yabo? Nakho ngidlalini. Yeah, they're saying they wanted to. That's the whole. Even Izol, we had that conversation about yesterday, where the people who are in the LGBTQ community, the time is now. Now, lentole LGBTQ has to be introduced to calling from an early age, which means primary, abo grade 1, 2, 3, yabo. I don't know if people agree. I'm going to understand, and in order to raise awareness, it'll be better if then to the LGBTQ if equaling. Now that's the topic for today. Again, send a request, join me. Send a request, join me. Let's talk about this. Let's figure it out, Sabo. Let's try to understand each other. What's your stance? Where do you stand in a topic, Eganji? Now, do you say it has to be introduced? I don't know.
About Jafet?
Yeah, so flu passing up. What's in Linda?
Hey, manyala man la ngwazwa. Bathi bafuna introduce LGBTQ ekoleni.
Yeah, but what ngisho nayizolo sikhulumile ngalento bekuyinto enkulu nje besigcwele kubangiswana bathi nje LGBTQ mele ifundwe ezikoleni lento from grade 1 ingane ziyazi lento kusa
we zero.
Sure.
Sawubona mfethu. Yabona mina as a South Africa ngifuna ukukhohlisa. Iyodwa into enginyanyisa ngathi mfethu. Samagwala mfethu, samagwala mfethu zero. Angazi yazi sisimandla ku TikTok bafethu iningi lethu. Yo. Yazi indlela esenza ngayo mfethu, it's like we are not promised to live tomorrow. We are not promised to live. We are funa ukuthini mina? Like sithenje ukuphila kusasa. Indlela esenza ngayo mfethu. Yazi iningi izinto efana sesiyilwele mfethu. Sikhombisa ukuthi udoda sufuna. Koze kube nini bafethu sinjena. Especially blacks bafethu. I love my black people kodwa indlela esiyona bafethu sikuyanyanyisa indlela esiyona. Nathi sibuye sikhuluma iqiniso sikuyanyanyisa indlela esiyona. Asikwazi ukuvumba. Yazi thina zero sesabantu bama-petition nje. Into asiyifuni sifuna nama-petition. Yonke into petition. Yazi leli zwe safanele sizikhombisa ukuthi ezinye izinto asiyifuni. Asikho isidingo mfethu salezi zinto sokuthi kancane so abona zero ziningi izinto sosikhombise zona mfethu. Ziningi izinto sosikhombise zona kodwa sisafuna ama-petition. Hayi we will fight for this country. Siyakhuluma nje asenze fuck all. Mina lento engicika ngathi mfethu. Yazi thina sina action mfethu. Sisizwe singena action. Amakore ngapha. Naba abantu besenza ilima ngama LGBTQ mafana siyazi
Sorry ukukhatha off uthi ubudala. Sinike nabanye yabo sibone ukuthi asiyekumandaba ezithi Nkosazana. What do you have to say? Kumele introduce, kumele ifundwe ekoleni lento. What's next?
Mina, okay, kwama grades la aphansi kakhulu, I don't think it should be learned at that stage, but around mhlampe grade 6, 7, ukuthi they must know ukuthi there is something like this, you know. I feel like by that time, you know, vele ingane, but like some topics like must be known and be normalized. We can't act as if like the community, they don't exist. They do exist. And some people don't understand it, and mele sazi ngabo ukuthi they exist.
But see, nabanye, this is an open topic, yabo. If you want to speak, you turn on the mic, yakhuluma. Yabo. This is an open topic. Anyone who has an opinion?
Hi, good morning.
Yes, hi. Sawubona.
Okay, this is my view on the matter. I personally don't think it should be allowed, whether in primary or high school. I believe that there are some things that we should learn on the streets. We learn them from our neighborhoods, from our community. Yes, we are not a homophobic community. Personally, I'm not. But there are some things that should be taught at home rather than at schools. Which subjects are they going to take out to implement this subject of, I don't even know what to call it. Which subjects are they going to take out? We are already lacking in terms of education in our schools. There are certain things that needs to be improved. They should start with that. Let's improve the education section or department rather than to add something. For me, currently, it's not necessary. We are doing enough as the community by teaching our kids. If you don't want your child to be homophobic, teach your child. Teach them to say, you know, my baby, you're going to meet a young woman who's going to look like it's a girl, a boy. That person, maybe they are lesbians or they want to be addressed as they, them, and whatever they prefer. Please do that. Address them the way they want. But and whatever they prefer. Please whatever do that. They prefer. Address them the way they want. And whatever they prefer.
Please,
However they
Mongena,
want,
mute
you
yourself.
can address them like that. But at schools, it is not necessary. It's not necessary at all. The very same way you teach your kids to respect other people's outside of your home, that's how it should be done. Taught at home. We need better education in South Africa. There's a lot of things that are lacking in our education department. Let them improve that. That's my view.
Zero. Sanibonani.
Yebo, sawubona bhuti omdala.
Nkosi. Hayi, mfowethu uyabona khona izinto mfowethu esiyifundayo. Mina namanje ngisakhala kwani manje education esiyifundayo la eSouth Africa mfowethu, ngiyabonga nje ukuthi usivezela mfowethu izinto ezinjeni, ezinye mina bengingazazi ngimdala, kodwa hayi. So nje yabona yonke lento lena nje inonsense. Ngeke ngithi ngilokhuzana ngibona nje omusha lapho. Umuntu unentshebe engaka uthi abegele, khona igele enentshebe engaka. Uma nje lokhuzana labantu bathi bamagele bamithisa futhi ngapha eceleni. Uyabona nje inonsense kahle kahle, babulala isizwe bonke labantu, ayikho lento lena. So nje angazi ukuthi mina ngisakhalaza nangane education nje system esinayo la eSouth Africa. Akusiyona education. Sasifunda ngoYan van Riebeeck ukuthi bafike eCape Town, so babeze ekhaya ngapha babezokwenzani. Ngoba bazomosha izwe nje. So yonke inonsense yonke lesifunda asifundiswa ngobuzwe bethu. So ufundiswa ngabanye abantu wena khona futhi amanga. Angazi mfethu, angazi akezizameni ukuthi angazi singenza kanjani. Kuyabheda. ngabe thina sifunda amakhono yabona imfundo seshayina izingane zakhona mina nokuyibona fethu bafundele ukuthi bakwazi ngoba kahle kahle impilo ilele kudayiseni ngaphandle kokudayisa you gonna help someone who sells for the rest of your life if you can't sell when yourself. So yayibona lento ukuthi kahle kahle le education nje sifundiswa senziwa ama puppet abanye abantu abakwazi ukcreate something. So angazi yazi kuningi angazi fethu ngiyabonga.
Again, yebo, again, anyone uyangena uyabingelela siyakhuluma cause impisi njengamanje just ingasabi on mic ukhuluma sawubona uthi umtara qhubeka ngenhloso ukuphazamisa.
Yeah, no, man, people, I think South Africa has lost it. Sinenkinga enkulu kakhulu la eMzansi. Nkosi yami. I mean, education system yethu iyahluleka nje in a long time. Kodwa my biggest concern mina ukuthi when we try to put these applications or systems in place, yini esizama ukuyi-achieve? Asifundise ingane zethu ukuthi kungabusaba nobudlelwane between amantombazane nabafana or amadoda nabantu besimame. Akube amantombazane namantombazane, abafana nabafana, ingane i-generation ikhule kanjani. So if singayibuka ngelinye ilihlo lento, they are really trying to kill our generation. I mean, ama-drugs ngapha lawa abanika iy'ngane manje sesinabantu abama-parent esingakaze siyibone empilweni because of ama-drugs. Kwazama lento yo-COVID ukuthi kujove ukuthi i-generation ingakhulu. So if singayibuka in a very deep eye, nizobona ukuthi kuzama ukulinduzwa la ukubulala intsha ukuthi intsha iye phambili. Ngiyabonga.
Okay, can I ask something? South Africa, as a whole, we've got a lot of mines. That's a lot of people. Can I ask something? South Africa. There's a lot of people that don't know the type of minerals we have in South Africa. They don't know that. They know nothing about mining. Why are we not taught about mining as South Africans? From the primary level, why are we not taught that? Agriculture, why are we not taught how to plant agriculture from the primary level? Why are we not being taught how to use the resources that we already have in our communities? We are not being taught that. Now they are trying to phase out pure maths. That should be the focus. We should thrive as a nation. If they're taking out pure math, they are definitely cancelling out the professionals of the future.
Budundu, sawubona.
All ebonjani bafowethu.
Khona uthini wena le ndaba ngiyazi ukukhulu ozakanapho.
Sorani bafowethu ngiyaxolisa nje ungena sengicambukela bese inkinga ngazi topic ithini but ngiyawuthanda usingene live wenu.
Khululeka sikhuluma ngayo lento ama LGBTQ community yabo. Kusanda kuvuka indaba ukuthi sekumele lezi zinto ifundiswe izingane early from primary ki high school kumele ingane ifunde ngama LGBTQ ngo lezi zinto zabo.
Manaye bafowethu sicela ungichazele ngama LGBTQ qala mfethu kahle yabo.
Le ama lesbian nama gay nama bisexual konke yabo nje.
Yeah.
Bathi nje cela lezi zinto ifundiswe from a young age.
Yeah.
Bacela ukuthi kufundiswe manje kufuna ukuzuzwa ukuthi lento ku right kwenzekala uthini mina kutotana.
Mina ngophawula kwami ngathi ku right ukuthi bafundiswe. Kodwa futhi angazi ukuthi ngendlela enjani kodwa ngendlela right yabo. Cause sonke siyafuna ukuthi bese ingane zethu zibe uma umfana kuba umfana uma uyintombazane ba. but sebefundiswe ngendlela e-right hayi ngendlela ezobenza ukuthi beye esayidini eli-one. Usekhona bafana?
Yeah, ngikona. So uthi nje kumele zi-expose ingane to le nto kusa early sishe zazo khona ama-gay khona ama-lesbian khona bazokwazi ukubona from a young age bangakephi.
Cela ufakazi sanibonani.
Yebo, avela baleka yebo.
Igama lami nguRem Langwenya. Ngiphuma eGauteng eDavison. The conversation ngicede ukuyithola manje, but I feel like ngicela ufakazi ngisho i-opinion yami.
Yeah, ngakhuluma ngibhuti omdala. The live ngizonenza ama-moderator ngisalala kancane ngiflu ngiyaxolisa, but i-live ngiyiphele. You can just anyone ofuna ukukhuluma uzo-on imic akhulume. Kube bhuti omdala. Yeah.
Ulala kanjani live yakho? Hawu.
Kahle izoqhubeka khulileke uzobona.
No need.
Okay. Personally, I think like gay and lesbians and all that LGBTQ, it's an agenda. Personally, it's an agenda towards what? Towards black men. There's a war on black men. Abantu abangayiboni ukuthi bafuna ukuthi singasaqhubekisi inzalo. So the way they need to find it, baqala bazama ukusibulala. Personally, killers, apartheid and all that. And that didn't happen, yabo. So they need to find a way ukuthi bangasafula ngayo. Which is the other way? Bazama izifo, HIV, cancer and what. But still, siyaqhubeka siyaproduce, always producing and produce. Then they saw ukuthi ngcono bafake less LGBTQ on because currently there's even abo Popeye. Sikunabo Popeye with LGBTQ. So it shows ukuthi it's an agenda towards black men. Balonat singamachita ukuthi we should stop inzalo totally mele khule bona, because mangiva bathi i-rate yabo ne-rate yethu khula thina we more growing internationally abantu abamnyama than abelungu abakhulu. So they need to find a way ukuthi basihlule ngama numbers, and bayazi ukuthi asesekhona amajita afana njengathi yabo abacabangayo abayibona into from LinkedIn. That's my personal opinion. Mangibheka mina lento le LGBTQ mangibona, it's still that war on black people, not for black people, specifically black men. Into engibonayo mangibona just everything when I see it from uJason Nosenzo to today, from each generation, because each generation it was like full introduction. But it was behind the scenes. Ujason Nosenzo, when they became gay and they did what they did on TV, then it started to be on proper conversations like, hey, you saw what happened. This all, hey, that thing grew. To what it is today. Today you say something bad on TikTok about gays. Ngaba ugcina wespan sakho ngenzeka ukuthi awusasebenzi because there's one guy or there's one gay guy who's gonna see you hamba ukureporta la usebenza khona sana spani asakhona ukuchubeka ngempilo. Exactly what I was saying. It's war on black men. Personally, thank you. Ungazi mhlambe khona umuntu na ongafaka phezulu kwalento engishoyo or ongangiphikisa mhlambe yena uyibona mhlambe ngeindlela.
Sanibonani, mina angeke ngikuphikise bhuti wami. Khuluma amavari. Ngibona ngathi i-generation le story isopi generation i-contribute too much towards le ndaba ukuthi thina as ama-Africans sizithola siyenza le ndaba siyenzayo. Ngokubona kwami lento le ngicabanga ukuthi iyabelungu thina ama-African asazi ukuthi siyenzani. Ngizophelela lapho.
Oh, sanibonani.
Yebo.
Yeah. Nenibulisa bosisi bobhuti. Andifuni bengathi ndihamba nendlela yeni. Andinoba niyasiva isiXhosa na ngoba isiZulu at least ndiyasiva.
Hayi siyakuzwa. You can speak. Speak isiXhosa khulileke.
Okay guys. Into mna endichasayo hayi mina ndihambi nayo, sorry guys la, but mina ndihambi nayo le nto yofundiswa kwabantwana besebancinci. I mean that thing leya yinto ozalwa nayo mos. So xa uzawufundisa umntana emncinci awucingi uba ngoku iitshomi zakhe ezi mhlawumbi like masithi sebesenza boma, let's say grade 4, 5, umntana sekabonakala ngoku ukuthi nekwenzeka ntoni ngaye. Iitshomi zakhe awucingi uzoba ne-influence kwiitshomi zakhe. Ndingumntu wesintu mna guys, abantwana bam siyenza into zesintu ekhaya, la senza yonke laa nto. Awucingi ngoku lo mntana kowabo njengobana mhlawumbi abenza isintu kowabo and then yena uyile nto ayiyo ke ngoku, sorry kuyibiza ngento, but uyabo akho straight, and then usulela kumntana wam ke ngoku laa nto. Umntana wam ngoku egqibele sengafuni ukwenza amasiko akowabo, you understand? So mna laa nto uba umntana makafundiswe ngalaa nto mna ndiyayichasa guys, ndiyayiphikisa. Number 2, nge-stats abantu abangomama baninzi ukusodlula. Inzalo yethu ayisafani, good people. Ubunoqaphela ngoku umXhosa utshata umSuthu, umntanam like kuthiwa nguMathapelo Zondi, uyayibona? Abantu bethu like amaXhosa akasatshatani namaXhosa, amaZulu akasahambi namaZulu, kuthiwa yivingivingi ngoku. So now thina as South Africans sisapota le nto ke ngoku yale LGBT what sorry andikwazi noyibiza kakuhle, sisapota loo nto ne. So now xa ucinga let's say 10 years down the line, Abdul bazabe bengaphi apha, uSandile Abdul okanye Abdul bani, Abdul Nkosi, Salam bani. Because now what into endiyibonayo ngoku, amajita bangamacheri, amacheri abangamajita. Ayisekho laa nto uba like sibe sodwa as-South Africans, umSouth Africa atshate nomSouth Africa, yabona? So hayi ke guys, like mna ngokunombono wam, hayi ndivumi tu loo nto. Zero man, into yokufundisa usikela andingeni bra.
Okay, I wanna say something. Like, according to our responses, like it's giving engati you feel like if befundiswa about this, it's like kind of implying ukuthi we are teaching the kids to be.
Yes.
No, you're not
Yes.
teaching them to
You are,
be
because
lesbian.
It is.
because
Mandaba
it
zithi
is,
it
because
is. Ngiyakuzwa
each generation
usiphikise,
has
athi
proven from
ngiyasiphikisha
now
kushoyo.
until from back then to now, each generation has proven that to us ukuthi it's education bayakufundisa because ingqondo ingenye indlela. Into mayisoloko bayenza la eceleni kwakho wena uthi normal, it's normal. Once into yaba norm kuwe, so ufuna ukuba part of it, ungazi if you understand. Morning guys, I would like
No,
to
ukuthi in the olden days, it was a thing of people weren't allowed to be free and they were suppressed and couldn't like show themselves like their true identities. Now it should be an open thing,
personally,
you know.
okay. Personally, me, I don't believe that because if bebakhona back in the days, ngabe bebayenza indlela yokuthi bakhule, yangithola. And the only way for them to grow ukuthi le ndoda le eziva ngathi he's gay, kumele ahambe ayothola umunye umfazi azikhulisela abantwana abakhulise njengamagay. Hayi le nto le abayenzayo bayithatha le nto abayiletha la ku-society. They doing their things and they making us a part of it. Because la khona ingcosi la ejardini yemjidi yakhula ngibukela ye-art yangithusa because noli la singenile ibukela bopopayi. Upopayi bakhona bayangithusa nabo. Hayi man, akusila upopayi besikhule sibabukela ukuthi they teach us about ukuthi utshani yenzani inanana. So now personal lento engisho ukuthi utshani yenzani inanana. So now personal lento engisho ukuthi yabuya kimi sound wa.
Yeah, Kube.
Sure.
Yeah, enye into weRambler. weRambler.
So
Enye into mfethu, mina mfethu, uMandaba ezithi asilwi nawe nathi
asilwi
imbono
nawe,
yethu leyo.
just
No,
fighting the system.
Andy.
siyachaza ukuthi nathi abangasifidi into le nto kahle kahle udoti khulumela mina ngoba alikho ikhehle liyi-gay la egcineni alikho ikhehle liyi-gay la egcineni angazi bafa benjani egcineni mase bengcwatshwa kuba akekho kuthiwa hayi ube ugogo oyindoda yabo so manje uyabona lento siyayihlohla nje ngoba-ke manje njengoba kade chaza uRemla kuyikona konke akushilo uRemla futhi vele ngeke bakubona abanye ngoba yonke into sifuna kwi-smooth talker udoti nje udoti nje lanto singalo sifundiswa ingane zethu ngalo doti.
Okay, ngicela ukusho something.
Hayi bazalwa nayo abaqhubeke bazalwe nayo ke asingajala ingane zethu
It's a lie to the mind.
Guys, can I add something?
Honest lie.
Ngicela ukusho something.
Yeah, podcast.
Ngicela ukusho something.
Yeah, podcast. Okay.
I hear you guys, ne? And then I need to emphasize something. This thing of LGBTQ, ne? It's something that people are born with, and I want you to understand me very carefully. I heard Rambler saying they are fighting with the population, ne? Earlier on, he said something about fighting the population and what so on. And this thing is not about fighting the population. If you can check globally, so even in Japan and China, they are starting to say, give birth to more children, then we'll give you money. It's like they are starting to give out what we, in our country, what we call SASA grant. And remember, in China, they didn't want people to have multiple kids. So this thing of LGBTQ, it's found in our food, the food that we eat today. That's why you will never find people, old people, you didn't find those things because the food that they were eating were organic. The food that we eat nowadays, it changes our mother's system, even on the male side. Then when they make a baby is made with some genes, you understand, or with mixed hormones. So that baby might grow up confused or somehow, depending on the hormones. That's why you will find nowadays, you will find men with less testosterone. You will find women with more testosterone. They look like male. Some men look like women. They have bigger bums, something like that. You understand? It's because of the food that we are eating nowadays. It's not because of fighting the population of black people and what so on.
No. I disagree. No, that cannot be true.
Okay, ask yourself this question.
It's your view, yes, but I 17
does manipulate DNA. What you eat manipulates your DNA. I'm not saying it's true, but
you are what you
put in your mouth.
You are what you eat. That's why nowadays. No, go and study these things, man. We don't have
yes, okay. Bona, you are what you eat, but it does not alter DNA, bruh. It does not change DNA. There's no way because Russian Vienna saying I will produce a gay man or a lesbian because meaning Russian. I need Mroho, I need I spending jalo askis.
That's how it works. The things that we eat, it will not change us today. But as time goes on, these things it's like being addicted to something or being addicted to smoking. It doesn't like affect you right now. It changes you during the time. It's gradually evolving.
Yes, it changes your body and other things, but not your DNA. Not your DNA. When are you right, health-wise? Health-wise. But logunye, bra.
Do you know the thing, the nuclear bomb that was bombed, I think it was in Tokyo. I forgot the city. The women there, when they gave birth to disabled children. Many of the children that were
Ngeke
born, they
baba,
were.
ngeke mkhulu.
No,
But you
he's
are
Imagine.
talking
mixing
about
topics.
nuclear
He's mixing
bombs.
Yeah.
topics.
Obviously, they were exposed to radiation and whatnot. You are
Hey,
talking
let's go
about
to
totally
Intemnanti.
different things. Nuclear bombs, radiation. Yes, it does cause people to give birth to deformed children.
Hey,
And now, when you're talking bombs, food, which ukhuluma ngani kahle kahle?
hayi miyeke into
Huh?
emnandi sawubona but of that kade siyakhuluma la into emnandi wale ayekho but umdala. Let's move on. CJ, hi. Hello CJ, uthini wena? What do you have to say about this?
High school ne, so ke bona ditene ke a le kola ngangishana ka mo,
Yes.
like they ba tja di LGBTQ ba ka se di rute bana like ba sa le ka primary, but then ba ba ruta tsona ba ile ka high school ba se ba le matured ba kushelo rudi so so this thing ba thomo di ruta go grade 10 LGBTQ community ba thomo di ruta go grade 10. That's all.
Okay, TJ, why o
Why?
tshwantse ba rute bana ba dilo tse in
Grade
high
10
school?
Paul.
Mo le gore
Because
dilo tse re a di bona already. We are learning. Nna ke bona
because
kare ha ra tshwanela go ruta dilo tse baneng. Ba di bona. It's your duty as a parent wena gore o rute ngwanago. O tshwana le nna ngwanaka, he's a boy. He knows gore o ka tlekana le motho wa moso. But I'm not going to teach him here this and that because I'm not saying it can change his perspective or his views to a point ele gore a ka nyaka angacabanga ukuthi kuba njalo then go right or ini, but it is not necessary. It is not necessary in schools because I think as the education, they will be straying away from the main focus. They will be straying away from a very important goal to educate our children with far more important things. This one, let's just leave it to Tine Batali, to the parents at home. Let's teach them not to be homophobic, to accept people as they are. Phela njalo hayi ukuthi a teacher abe busy in a whole period teaching about queer. No. I
no, it's
am not
not like that.
homophobic, but I am.
No, it's not like that. It's not like they teach them like LGBT community topic like the whole period. It's something that like they like explain ukuthi community ikanjani so that some other learners baska bula batho ba, because they've realized at school bana ba
I
magay
disagree. Ngeke TJ. Hayi
Ngeke
ngeke.
Oh,
baba, ngeke mkhulu,
oh,
ngeke.
okay.
Hayi
Okay.
bangiboni.
Now, I understand TJ. If that comes up in a topic where they're talking about bullying, I get it. If they're talking about bullying and then they want to address this matter, or don't bully this person because this boy is behaving like a girl. Don't bully. That is fine. If it comes up in a topic of not bullying each other, accepting people as they are, in school, that is okay. That is all right because bullying comes with a lot of things tse e le gore di dira gore bana ba ska ba comfortable in school. Therefore, we are just teaching people to respect people as they are. That is good. But to have a whole subject, a whole total subject about being queer,
Okay, can I just
no.
ask, did like the topic at hand, is it like about like making a whole subject based on it or what?
No, it's part of LO.
Yeah, cause like me, I still remember in high school they do teach it in LO.
Yeah.
Okay, if it's part of LO, then it's fine. LO has been around for the longest time. But then why is it now being talked about? Ngati, it's a new thing. But because I feel like if they're talking about it now, I think they want to make it something big.
Yes. Yes. Yes, that's what they want to do. They want to make it something else. Why they don't open in Campe a whole class about mining so we can understand fully what's mining, how to mine, how to take
Exactly my point. Exactly my point.
No, this is for that's why I say it's an agenda against black men. If you don't see it as a black man, it's on you. It's on you.
And futhi uRembla no Sisilo Regine, guys, into efanele besayilwela la ukuthi sifundiswe ngemining not ngo LGBTQ. Abasisizi ngalutho LGBTQ thina. Abakaze futhi basisize ngalutho. I-community ayibe community yodwa leceleni thina sifuna ukufunda into ezibalekile zezwe lethu.
No, ngiqinisele bafethu. Nami angihambisani bafethu nalento. And I agree with Rembla. Lento, it's something like singasho sithi into like i-campaign and into ezokwenzeka kuyona lento it will be funded. La izofundwa khona, it's supposed to be into ezo-attracta iy'ngane ey'ncane lezi ey'khulayo. Labantu abakanje bazoba nezinto zabo ezobukeka zizinhle. They will be having the best cars, the best houses. Iy'ngane zibone ukuthi if uyilento le kusho ukuthi empela uba successful. Because yabona nje lately namarali kunani iyafakwa emafonini lento ema-TV and mawubabuka create nje le picture yokuthi if ukanje uba successful. So what about ingane ekhulayo esazoqeda isikole esazoshawa impilo because uyazi ukuthi kuba nzima uthi okay uqeda isikole ushawa impilo ayihlangani. And then yet kunale mpahla le introducewayo obviously ingane noma ya district isangashintshi ishintshele kulento ngoba izobona engathi lento izoshintshwa kube ngathi once wangena kuyona uba successful. Ibona ubungozi bayo nje ngibonayo mina.
Yeah, Cholis, you want to say something?
Guys, okay. Mina bengithi abanye abantu la I think lento abayibuka lehle esilibuka ngalo lokujula. Ezinye izinto bazithanda ngoba zijabulisa ama feelings wabo and stuff, but abayibona ukuthi at the end maybe future yabo izoba imess. Angazi noma ngibeka kahle na. But izinto engabe ziyalwela like ukuthi sifundiswe imisebenzi yezandla like ama skills esikolweni abayikhathaleli leyo nto, bakhathalela nje ukuthi kufundiswe ngama feelings wabo and stuff. Angazi noma, but if abanye bafeel offended, sorry, but it just nami indlela leyo engithi ngibona ngayo.
Okay.
Akekho egcineni like akekho umuntu ozalwa eyindoda but abe nama feelings omuntu osifazane, because some of them babuye bashintshe asho ukuthi shiyazi lento bekuyidemoni and stuff. So sengibonile ukuthi ngcono ngishintshe. Uzalwa kanjani? Because mhlawumbe ke some of ama spiritual what bayasho ukuthi lento imoya yasemanzini yabo, and uma ungabe uzolalela ngeke ngagula. So it's not ukugula, ngangenwa yi-satanism ngaleziya khathi leziya 2015. And if uzoyibuka vele ngehlo elincane lento uzobona ngathi uyahlukunyezwa, but vele umoya omubi njengoba singekho nje. njengoba kufana ne-HIV isifo ngithi esilaphekayo nayo lento umoya omubi uyakhona ukuthi uphume kuyo if umisele ukuthi uphume kuyo but if uzo-enjoya wena ukuthi ama-feelings wami and ungayazi vele into oyenzayo like ephilelayo unganandaba sesilahleke kakhulu unganandaba namasiko abantu sivele silahleke kudala guys
Bekumnandi ukuzwa i-testimony yomuntu osejike khona yabo. Uthe wathi uyongena kuyona wayibona lento waphinde wajika. So yabo lento uthi it's just a psychological thing. It's not ingqondo yakho izikutshela
yes
usuyikholwa yabo. But leyo kuzalwa nayo
hayi leyo kuzalwa ayikho leyo kuzalwa
Mina
kufana nokuthi
ukubuza
uthi
ukuthi why should abanye abantu be oppressed on what they feel?
ukuthi
Morning,
Ithi
Njani.
why should ama-feelings abanye abantu be oppressed according to what they feel?
asivele sekwakho sesiyakude umdlalo lapho people have spoken
Ninjani.
as well.
Ninjani.
Saphila.
Siyaphila. Hayi wazi ngifuna ukubuyela kule ndaba lento nokudla. Lento sizidlayo. Ngizomunye ayikhuluma lo munye amphikisa la. Lo muntu ukhuluma ngendaba zokudla la. Iqiniso yonke into le yenzakalayo le LGBTQ ibuya ekudleni. Namanzi wethu la siyaphuzayo bafake something. Abantu abaningi bayaphikisa ukuthi lento le is from ukudla lo sikudlayo. Manje yonke into esiyidlayo la McDonald's, KFC, win there is something inside there. Ichencha kuloba ne experiment benza nge-frog. Bathatha i-male frog bayifake la kulamanzi lawa siyaphuzayo thina epompini. The male frog eventually ichenchile yaba female ya bathini ngesiZulu yabe yamaye ka spade ya change to a male to a female. Lento yonke lesikhulumayo la isemanzini wethu. They born like that is true. Bazalwa kanjalo ngoba nakudala bezikhona sibabiza amakhrimatuni bakhona but there were not many like this. They knew ukuthi yini into ichange lo sesingibona aphikisa indaba ye DNA. They change I DNA yomuntu ifana namanje nini khona la basijova lento le basijova yona yini ngoba yegazini ichenchani I DNA yonke into lo munye ukhulumile wathi in 10 years time abantu namadoda namanje ungabheka buningi ba feminine is from ekudleni is from bathini ama vaccine from childbirth. Lento basijova abantwana they're changing us every day. And ubheke amaJuda akajovi total. Kunemihlobo le ama Muslim like Indians they don't jove total. Kujova thina phela abantu bamnyama. Nalento le ukuthi umntwana uzongena esikolweni ifana umjovo abamfuni. Ebalungini they go to school banganayo lento le thina mele sinike igovernment ukuthi umntwana wethu angene isikolo. If umntana akajovanga umntana akho abamvuma esikolweni bathi bafuna lethini icard lase clinic but laba abanye bangafani nathi they go to school without those things. Yonke lento le ukudla ama vaccine ikhosa lento le LGBTQ uthi igcwale kanje. Ukhuluma iqiniso lo muntu uthi ukudla kune something. Mina ngithi emanzini la siyaphuza something wrong.
Ngwako mfowethu ngicela ukulokhuza kancane la bafethu content niyenzayo la wrong engeke nginotice ngayo bafethu la abongwakho nje bechaza lezi zinto kunezinto ofana uunderstand uma ungazazi awuzazi abo emanzini mina nginayo into lento engikhuluma nayo ngiyazi uqinisile emanzini amanzi anefluoride abantu abaningi abazi amanzi anefluoride ifluoride udoti it's wrong kumuntu
the Colgate
it's wrong kumuntu even i-Colgate futhi ngokunjalo it's wrong kumuntu awungathi into uma unga-understand bese ufuna ukuphikisa umuntu oyixoxayo ngaleso sikhathi ezinye izinto zibhekele nina bayibekile labantu abangasifuni bazenza ngamabomu ngiyacela bafethu at least into uma ungayazi dlula kuyona ukudla GMO kukhona sekufikile eSouth Africa kuyadayiswa ezitolo eziningi ingoba nik-understand abanye bethu
Let's go to umhlanganisi umuntu omdala. You've been that ukhona. I'm sure there's something you want to say. Umuntu umhlanganisi kubhalwe kanjalo lapha. Okay. Sidlule kulungile. Let's go to umuntu bafana. Umuntu omdala, welcome.
Bafethu lento nikhuluma ngayo sensitive kakhulu ukuthi abantu abaningi abafuni ukuthi bavule amehlo into enezenzakalayo lento LGBTQ kahle it's all about depopulating umuntu omnyama i-agenda khona i-agenda 2030 and izinto eziningi ezilistiwe lapho abantu abaningi abanayo idea ukuthi lengenzakalani. For instance ake ngibeke nje into ezobalula ukuze nasibone zonke. In nature awukazi uyibona inkunzi ikwelenye inkunzi at all obo yaxoxa ukubeka kanjalo but now la kuthina abantu kuyenzeka and ugovernment wethu or isystem rather ikuvumile lokho ukuthi nekwenzeke indlela yenza ngayo indlela ngayo manje bese siyabheka sesikwamukele esibonayo thina even nasemvelweni akukho akaze kube khona but now namhlanje sithene hayi amalungelo abantu nabo banamalungelo of which is akukona konke lo nisho from ukudla from amanzi from ini ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo ukuthi nethina indlela esesaba pre-program ngayo asikubone kufanele sikubone sibhisinana nokunye kuseceleni uziro uhlezi ethi nemuntu omnyama vula amehlo inakasho ngokuthi nebethi vula amehlo vula nalehlo lakho lesithathu ifluoride lesho abafethu ivala ihlo lakho lesithathu leli lakamoya manje isingisi ngifuna usifaka kakhulu ngoba ngigcina ngivaliwe mhlawumbe nami but ekugcineni ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo abafethu le LGBTQ ayikho nhlobo indaba yi-out i-agenda le push out ku depopulate umuntu omnyama because ibeke kanje 20 years from now bocabanga bona ke labo kuleyo community bazobe bebangakanani ngendlela kuzobe kwenzeka ngayo ama-GMOs akubona manje ama-GMOs uMonsanto afika kudala le South Africa 1994 usathi sithola inkululeko ngala noMonsanto obefaka indaba yembewu yakhe ukuthi asibanikezeke manje bake bebaqale bawahle khona le emblem ebasesinkweni ebasempuphwini fortified health lo ma minerals afakwayo asynthetic aweve original as in like from in nature khona izinto othi uyibheka zenziwe umuntu kudala hayi manje ngasekudleni base sibe ukudla base ngithi mina ngitshela carrot was not created by umdali yakreate umuntu carrot because it's acidic khona ukudla engafaka isikudla thina ngoba emzimbeni kwenza ngokunye aku-add value yebo kuningi kakhulu bafethu but lokho kwale LGBTQ sekulahleke kakhulu and siyakuvumela kade siyakuvumela. Why do you think amanye amazwe afana nabo Saudi Arabia abobani amaSulumane iSulumane nje wakubona lapha isidabane seSulumane ngikhombisa sisodwa manje ngisibona ukuthi naso ngikhuluma ngeSulumane la ngempela mina livuka ngo-3 livuka ngobani balithandaza emazweni aba bayivumeli yona thina la eAfrika akhona amanye amazwe athini hey lento siyayibheka ubona amazwe ngaphesheya kuthiwa asobancisha ifunding sokwenza ini ziningi ezinye izinto efanele sivule amehlo kuzona ezenzakalayo ngoba kusho ukuthi yabona uziro okathi yabona bekuthiwa kwenzeka ukuthi ngala sisuke sidistractwa khona into eyenzeka behind the scenes enjalo kuba kanjalo manje sebheka umadla ngale sibe behind the scenes na kuyenzeka lo misizulu wayena abona manje ngizobe ngikhuluma nje ngaze ngibulawa ngithule futhi ngaloko ngeze ngikwazi ukuthi ngikusho lokho but ngoba ehambile walena vele zikhona izinto asezidayisile ngalena ngoba behind logo we blackmail idlala likhulu kulabantu abaphezulu ngoba wenziwa something bese kuthiwa wena sikubamba ngaloko if ever ungafuni ukuthi uwenze sizokuexpose ukuthi wena wenziwe A no B no C but kuningi kakhulu bafethu ekufanele sikwazi bese kubheka sikubheke ngehleli banzi hayi ngehlo leli physical obuka ngalo ngiyema lapho
Yes.
kwamanje.
But uyidle yonke. Bathi uyidle
ushayile
yonke.
lapho.
Can I
Siyabonga.
make a comment?
Okay, bengifuna uku-add nami. Na ungaqala sis, ladies first.
So ngibona lokhu kubuyelwa kwi-topic about ukuthi processed food ilidele ukuthi kube khona i-rise in LGBTQ, which is like false information because processed foods, like, okay, it does affect like a balance within testosterone konje yini le yabesifazane naleyo, but there's no evidence ethi manje ngoba nakhu sekudliwa ama-processed foods manje sekhona like a rise in kwi-LGBTQ. That community is just made there to make them feel more safe and accepted to like be open.
Siyabonga. Wesis, not ukuthi actually not kuwena sis, to everyone, not ukuthi siyawana ntuza turn down ama point of view abantu, and ukudla nizinto esiziconsumayo thina siya understand ukuthi zis affect kanjani health wise. Mesingabheka indabuko yalento, which I'm also under correction. Mengabheka lezi zinto siqalele kudala ngabantu abalintuzana abasemajele nani cause ya umunye nje weza nokuthakatheka lapha emajele wangena umoya omubi waqala benza lezi zinto. But this thing was created, it is created, guys. We cannot say abantu bazala benje. Ngiyaphi ngalento? If mina ngithi wena ngikuhlalisa nabelungu kuphela, ungababona abantu abamnyama, awuzokhuluma i-English. So ilento esizamayo uzoqala ukukhuluma isilungu. Ilento esizamayo la ukuthi asicwaliseni labantu, sifundiseni izingane, sifakeni izingane zethu lento engqondweni ukuthi ibe normal. Kube nabanye abadala abafana nathi ababelieve ukuthi lento le ilentuza iku DNA, ayikho lonto. Iqhamuka ekudleni. Asisi ukuthi ba wrong lapha abasho ukuthi iqhamuka ekudleni, kodwa thina ayethi point of view. Mongabuka amagay amadala, abantu abafana noSomisi babezidla nini lezi zinto ezifakwe manje. Le mjovo bayithola nini? Uyabona ukuthi something that is orchestrated, something that is created for a certain reason. Le thina esingafuni ukuyibona. For a certain reason. Le thina uyabona.
So, Buti Mlindo, mina ngiyakuzwa ne, but
wait. Katsheni.
Yeah, sanibonani ninjani. Nakhona
uzwile bathi
mase
it's in the
ngiyaphuma.
food wena Katsheni.
It's
Bathi
in the food
it's in the
kanjani.
food.
That doesn't make sense because the LGBT community has existed for centuries. So nje, that point is just it's just dumb. Kahle kahle. It doesn't make sense because the LGBT community kade abakhona. Okay? Sifa on the side lokho siyadlula. Le enye ethi Umlindo kade ethi if we're both gay, you choose to be gay. That doesn't make sense. When what you're trying in my weight, I'm gonna be dining out. When what you're trying to say is when you chose to be straight. So kahle now we're gay, but you chose to be straight. Little part, also if you say you choose to be gay, you are a contradictor. What you saying uthi mina nami ngigay ngiyazi ukuthi nginobugay nyanya, but I choose to be straight. Ngifuna ukufaka lelo point lelo. Now moving on to teaching about the LGBT community. Njengoba ngifunda nje dabadikisha ukuthi ngiyobhala nje. Besithi we're teaching about the LGBT community. Asithi thina we are teaching people ukuthi maybe boys too should wear skirts and whatever. We are trying to include education and broader perspective and understanding, because njengoba sishayana lana and siphikisana and people don't understand the main issue is that asifundisekanga about these things. But if we learn about it and expand our perspective, lokho kungasiza kakhulu, angeke sishayane and we can learn to understand each other much better. Yabo. So bese thina we including education. Vele kuzoba nama kuzoba nama age restriction. We can start it from a certain age or whatever. I don't know. I'm not a spokesperson. I'm not saying that's mina nami ngithi I'm indoctrinating or noma siya introduce noma senze njani, and we're telling people to practice or be gay. Cha, cha, cha. That is not what we're saying. What we are saying is that we are trying to create an understanding, because with knowledge comes clarity and understanding. But if we become ignorant, that causes chaos, because we won't understand each other. And njengoba abantu would come to the LGBT community, say that maybe and whatsoever. That is what is happening if we do not teach each other. People come with certain perspective. I am going to be a professional one day. I am going to be working with abantu. How am I supposed to work with people if becaba ukuthi mina ngidemon? That doesn't make sense. So I feel like if we as people sizicisha education, we are creating chaos and ignorance, and it's not going to solve anything. Ilokho nje engifisa ukusho.
Okay, Nyavuvo yakhuluma, and you're making valid points. I agree with everything you just said. Although, Mina, the only thing that I don't agree with, and of course it's your view, and this one is also my view, that it should be taught at school. Since I'm emphasizing Tabaya Hore, the education system already, it is poor. We should not constrain it with something that we can teach our own kids about. And apparently it's also included in LO. I did not do LO, Mina, in my days. So why don't we just leave it there in LO rather than to add a total subject of something that it can be discussed in LO? But I wanted to, I actually requested, because I wanted to clarify some things that a certain speaker said. There was a speaker, a woman, I forget her name. She said HIV/AIDS it's not real. It's in people's mind. That is not true. It's a demonic thing. That is not true. That is misinformation. Because spreading information like that is going to make people bayekele ukunatha amaphilisi abo because bona bacabanga ukuthi banema demon. It has nothing to do with spirituality. That is totally wrong. It's misinformation. So we should not spread information yenjalo. Number two, a certain speaker a male said, this was caused by immunization. Apparently, white people don't immunize. That is also not true.
Exactly.
White people do immunize. The thing with a lot of South African people, we don't understand the effect that comes with not immunizing our kids. There are African countries that their children are dying because they don't get access to immunization. We first have to understand what is immunization and why is it necessary? What is immunization preventing before we come and say, no, it's not needed or it is not done by certain cultures?
I'm not
all.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not saying that. Yes, I'm not saying that.
No. You did not say that. You did not say that.
No,
somebody said that.
Yeah,
somebody else said that.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to correct the speaker.
Yes, sorry. What I'm trying to add on to what you're saying, you see, a lack of knowledge. What is it causing? It is causing people to fear certain things, or rather misinterpret or understand. They fail to understand the concept of what it actually is. And the same thing that is causing a confusion and conflicts. That is why we need to learn about this, to educate each other. Let me tell you about me. I was very homophobic. I used to hate gay people to the core. And I didn't want to see any gay person. The reason why I did that, it is because Nami, I didn't understand. Not saying that's mina githi yabona bacima kaphela, but ngifuna ukufela kuleli point ukuthi I didn't understand. And mina ngokukhula kwami ngangazi vele ukuthi nje intena amademoni phakathi and all of this thing. Ironically, I was part of the LGBT community when I came into the realization. So that is going along those lines of if it's we are failing to educate each other as Black people, and we come together and we live in harmony and we work together and we build together, we are gonna be more divided. And yeah, it's a lot to unpack and whatever.
Yes.
And every time
Sicelo
see, okay, sorry, sengizohamba mina angifuni uthanda ngibe ngikhuluma kakhulu, but I'm not trying to overshadow people, okay?
mana ima lapho nginawe ngicela ume ungahambi.
Okay.
Hello.
Siyabuzwa.
Mkhulu.
Silalela.
Yes, thank you Zero. Guys, sanibonani man, ngiyayizwa indaba yini ukuthi liyayikhuluma. But some of us thina masikhula sikhule lento le yama gay ibengekho. If ibe khona so sibenga so, but what I'm trying to say is masiwela ku uNkulunkulu uyenze umuntu wesilisa and if you can check, there's no between, there's only on and off. So lento le yama LGBT, it's something that comes from America kanjalo na nemikhuba le yakhe. And then most of the people, they say no, we don't love people asinathando. But when you go to the Bible says exactly ukuthi abantu banganathando laba ama LGBTQ, because they perverting what God just made. Because uNkulunkulu uyenza umuntu wesilisa nomuntu wesimame, azange ayenze between. And then when you go to the book of Revelation, God says, I'm going to spit you out of my mouth because you are the lukewarm one. It means even nama Christian are in between. Angenge abone lokuzana. The heaven, they will never enter in heaven because of they are in between. They don't know where they stand. So if gahle kumele ukuthi uyenze into right, eba umuntu wesilisa or man, it doesn't mean that even we hating abantu laba ama LGBTQ. No, what we don't like is it's against elokuzana into uNkulunkulu.
Yes, because now we are opposing Christianity. Yeah.
Mamela mkhulu. Not Christianity, because multi-Christianity, it's a made thing, because it's a religion. We are not called ama Christianity, yes, because tena se ama followers aga Christ, so we can call us Christ-like. We don't. If multi-Christianity, then you're messing up this whole thing. So now umkhulu into engisho ukuthi mawungaya wafunda the book of Romans chapter 1 verse 21 to 32 is going to tell you somehow ukuthi kahle abantu laba bayaze uNkulunkulu, but they never glorify God. And then they decided to do their own thing. Yes, that's how the Bible says. And like I said, thina siyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu udali umuntu wesilisa.
Anginakile, sorry, you can't come in here and tell people it's about ezulwini. Ngeke mkhulu, ngeke baba. We're not about that life. Asikwenzi nje lokho.
Thank you.
Hoyibu.
No, mina I feel like
it's just to kulumile shame, you know.
I feel like people they're taking Christianity and putting into a whole level.
Yeah, they're crucifying the LGBT. They must die and they must be killed.
The same Christianity that people emphasize on or they use as a scapegoat to validate whatever that they believe in. It says love all human beings. And gays and lesbians have been there even in the biblical days when Jesus Christ was still alive.
Yeah,
But
man.
who are we to judge? The only judgment that I will make is let it not be taught in school, because that is my view. But if somebody wants to be gay, that is your baby. That is how you're going to deal with it in
Yeah,
the
I
near
mean,
future.
man.
And if there is judgment date, it's your judgment, it's not mine.
Mm.
It is your judgment, it's not mine. We cannot say people were not born gays and lesbians. We see them. We live in our communities. We see that this child, this one lo vele lo ngimfana mara ngathi ngintombatana, and they never change. They never
Yeah.
change. There's somebody on the comment section, Uti, I'm gonna say what he said, because he said something like, Somizi changed after his father died. And then I said, maybe he was scared to come out because of his father. He was scared of his father. And then he said his father was doing the right thing. God, it's never right for a child to be scared of their parent.
I mean,
It is
man.
never right. If people come out because certain people are no longer there, or they feel they can come out, it's a good thing.
Mm.
Whatever their reasons, it is not ours to judge. Hle. It is not ours to judge. And if you don't like gays and lesbians, stay far from them. Bayekele, batiphilele le, and then you move on with your life. It doesn't give you a right to bully them. It doesn't. If you hate them, leave them alone. Let it be that simple. Leave them alone. We are here to live our own lives, and then that's what that matters. Live your own life the best way you know how to. And the conversation anyway, it was just, is it allowed, Nje, to be taught in schools? And I mean, I'm glad that the Gasheni came in. I definitely think you are a queer person. Therefore, you are in the right space for us to interact about this. What are your views? Since you
No,
are
but
there.
I mean, we're here to learn, right? We don't oppose it.
Yes.
It's just that mina ngilwa nalento uthi ngiyangena ezulwini, fine. But okunye nokunye we are allowed to challenge it, because I mean, come
Yes.
on, should it be learned
Yes.
esikoleni? Mina, that was the core
Yes.
conversation. Asifuna ukufunda
Yes.
esikoleni. Would you
Yes.
like your kid to learn about it? A primary, grade 3, learning about LGBTQ. It doesn't make
Mina,
sense.
can I ask you, nje, Zero, for example, yini le kanti le ezobifunda mhlasimpe wena bocabanga yini, what's that is that you fear that is so huge, that is so taboo, that they will be learning? Yini le engake ezobifundiswa about ingane eka grade 3 about the LGBT, when in your perspective mhlasimpe yini le that you're so afraid of? I'm sorry. Sorry.
Who are you asking the question?
Let's start with Umbazo. You have 1 minute. You say, do you want ingane yakho to learn about this in school? Whether it's yes or no, and then you give a reason. I will know 1 minute. Let's start with Umbazo. So bakudla bonke Gachen, you uzoweza my answer. Baza, please turn on your mic. Khona ngizokala countdown. Uyangena ungabingeleli, just uyangena uyakhuluma. Putumbazo, I'm waiting for him to turn on the mic. Okay, it's fine. Seems like Nango. Putumdala. Okay, kulungile, let's go. Siyadlula. Usistera lapha uMandaba Ezitha. You have 1 minute. Please turn on your mic. 1 minute, question. So lalela.
Mina, I like with the whole topic at hand, I don't see a problem if ingane efunda ku grade 3 learns about the LGBTQ community. It's not like abanye, they're taking it as a thing ukuthi if bafundisa, it's like siyabatshela ukuthi like ingabe like ingane mele yazi certain things ukuthi they exist. Maybe I can have a problem with as young as grade 3, but I can approve mhlambe grade 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ingane yakho, okay, don't make it about other kids. Yakho.
Yes,
You okay with it?
I would be comfortable with it.
Kulungile. It's fine. Let's move on to Uzinto. Please turn on your mic. Once you turn on your mic, got time. Put Uzinto. Oh, sis. Okay, he's not there. Fine. Let's move on. South Africa. Hi.
Oh, sawubona Zilo.
Yes. Putumtal.
Yes, my good sir. So me Tina, yazi, you know, it's quite a coincidence. Maringzos, I'm always such a fasting island. It's such a great coincidence because there's Kulumangayo last night we meeting this issue, and you know my point kahle I would love to have ingane yami learning about stuff like AI and everything that is going to benefit us, that is going to benefit our children and the country in the future. You know, instead of learning about izinto lezo that really don't really make sense. You know, because you know, some of the members was like in the meeting, why is the LGBTQ in the center of things? We have straight people that are never trying to get people or children to learn about them. Why is sizofundisa ingane zethu ngento about something? Oh my goodness, isikhathi sami siphelile. Okay.
No, go back, yeah. You're cooking.
All right, yes. Yes, why is it a thing that manje kumele sifocuse ekufundiseni ingane nge-LGBTQ, whereas asinayo focus yokuthi let's teach our kids about being men so that maybe they can be better men when they grow up. They can be men that is going to bazoba abantu besilisa okuzoba safe ukuthi abantu besifazane baphile around bona, bazoba abantu besilisa okuzoba lula ukuthi ingane zikwazi ukuphila around bona, bazoba sibafundise futhi ngabantu besifazane or ukuba umuntu wesifazane ukuthi kwi society ilabantu ile type yabantu besifazane, for example, esibadingayo, you know. So it was really a question ukuthi why is the LGBTQ community such a topic to be really you know talked about, whereas we still have stuff like GBV problem in the country, and we've never heard of any group maybe that came out and were like, you know, we need to teach our kids in our schools about GBV, you know. So would rather now I'm talking from on behalf of the South African Youth Party, yeah? So would rather have structures in our schools and for our children, structures that are going to help in shaping a brighter future for our children, instead of having these curriculums that are really going to keep our children stagnant or maybe you know, stuck in one place. All right, yeah, that naive view, yeah, please, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Putumtala. Let's go to Rambler. Putu Rambler. Kupu silalela.
Sure, Mfethu. Yeah. As I was saying earlier before, what's so important about LGBTQ? What will it help us? Yini into ezosinceda ukuthi sikhule as blacks. You understand? Yini into ezosincedisa ukuthi understand a lot of things in life. So masofunda ngabo, I don't see mina ukuthi as a black person uzokhula when you know about our feelings, understand our feelings. There's a lot of things in this world we need to learn about than our feelings about. No. Of which it's wrong for me to say that, but there's a lot of things in medicine food. You understand? So of which I don't think it's a good idea because it won't help black children. Ayikho into esoyifunda kulo ezosikhulisa mentally. Ezosenza ukuthi nakusasa and our awareness yethu about gays, it won't help us to understand it. Njengoba my brother asho ukuthi why is the GBV understand it won't. I think my minutes is done.
Okay, lungile. Let's go to Putucebo. Hi, welcome.
Hello, guys.
Hi. How are you?
Yeah, ngiyaphila guys. So mina I don't see i-reason angiyivisisi nje ukuthi why kwamele ukuthi kufundiswe bantwana etikolweni about this thing ne, because njengoba ashilo na Boot South Africa lapha ukuthi we have a lot of things ezingafundisa abantwana ngato. If it's about bullying, singakhona nasemakhaya ukuthi like if njengasesikoleni they teach about bullying everyone, intombatane umfana, you are part of the community. It's not allowed vele. If it's about bullying, it's not allowed. Umuntu umthatha njengoba angayo, whether straight or akekho straight, accepta njengoba anja. If unenkinga naye uyaphuma kuye. That's the thing ezama ukuthi nathi esibadali, like specifically njengami ezimdala, yamfundisa umntwana wami ukuthi no, awubhulishi noma ngabe ngubani, awuqwayi bantu la ngaphandle. It's my responsibility as a parent ukuthi ngifundise umntwana wami ukuthi uma ubona umuntu somewhere do different kuwe, unjalo, accept njengoba anjalo. If ubona ngathi awukhoni ukuthi accept njengoba anjalo, uyasuka kuye kahle peacefully kulowo muntu loyo. So esikolweni there are a lot of things edinga benefit thine as bantu abamnyama, as i-community, letingafundiswa laphana ngaphandle kokuthi kuze kufakwe kufundiswe nga this community. We know this community, nebantwana for sure they know this community because bayibona na kuma communities la siphila khona, bakhona nabantu la siphila khona. So akunasidingo sokuthi singaze siyende ibe special like this special ukuthi now vele iyofundiswa ngabo vele because bantwana bathatha lokhu bafundisa kona abantwana. So that's my view guys. No, I don't think ukuthi i-right ukuthi ngafundiswa wami mntwana esikolweni.
Okay. Wow. Siyabonga. Regina, it's your turn. This one. So Lalela, you can cook.
Thank you. So mina, I disagree. I would not want not just my child, mara bonke bantwana bangabafundzisi ngayo. Bangabafundzisi ngayo. Basically, to not have a lesson about it because the lesson is already there. I just learned on this live hore LO includes such information. And LO includes information about LGBTQI. LO, it teaches children not to bully other children. So with that said, then there is no need for us to have a whole subject focusing on LGBTQI. We are parents, or we are going to be parents one day. I actually believe everybody is a parent at some form or another. Let us be the ones that teach our children, this is not allowed. You should not bully somebody else. And if you don't like the way a person is behaving towards you, leave that person alone. Umaguye, ungamuharasi, ungathi hey wena uyindoda enjani, ubehave so umfati wanjani, hey awubona ukuthi unemabele. That should be taught to our kids not to do that. They should not do that. Let it be our responsibilities to not teach kids to be trouble in our country. And I understand, guys, I understand, and I am learning a lot in this life to say certain people can teach their kids to be bullies, to not accept people as they are, because they themselves as parents do not accept gays and lesbians. They don't think this is normal according to them. Therefore, they will teach their kids to say, hey, homona a behavior so. Therefore, ya umtshele ukuthi akusindoda yena why a behavior so. Again, it is all coming from makhaya wethu. You as a parent, you have to ask yourself, how do you want your child to be in the community? Because as a father who is anti-LGBTQI, right, who does not agree with all of that and still get to bully another man or another child, your very child is going to behave like that. And chances are they will be worse. They will do something that is going to be criminal. They will be arrested. You as an adult, you were old enough to hold your emotion to a certain point. But because you are teaching your child to hate, they will do it worse, and your own child will be in prison because of something that you taught them. You, the parent, you taught them to hate. If you don't agree with other people's behaviors or how they call themselves, leave them alone. Give your child an opportunity to let that person see the world the way they want to see the world. Someone okay, do I like this? Do I not like it? And if I don't like it, okay, this is how I'm being taught to behave. Because LO includes all that. First and foremost, do not bully. And if they know they are not allowed to bully, they will not act in accordance with that behavior. I don't know if you guys get my point now.
Yeah, we get
But
it.
behavior at school.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys get my point now.
Yes. I'll just can I just add and then I'll leave because yeah. Angazi noma like I should deconstruct a statement sakho esithi LGBT teaching should be taught in school and whatnot ne. But let me just say I'm not gonna dwell on that kakhulu. What I would like to say is I'm going to be a teacher ne, very much soon, and I often worry ukuthi how do othisha and umphakathi wami, how do they view me? Do they view me as a political statement that's now kusezoba uthisha uzofaka lento kuyingane zabo? I'm honestly worried, you know, as a future educator ukuthi kahle kahle olontonjana nina or other people or other individual, how do you view me? Mhlasimpe isethwa ngiyofundisa emakhaya nje izothini ingqwele oyensizwa ngifundisa mina mhlasimpe maybe I'm in my feminine presenting state, you know. Are you listening to the content or are you judging me before the content that I provide to ingane yabo? Okay, moving on. South Africa would say like it is unnecessary or whatnot because like, you know, I want my children to be interested with AI and whatnot. That's the thing. LGBT content is such a non-issue. The LGBT is such a non-issue. It's literally just one section. Maybe once a week. And people are making it such a big thing. Issue. Oh my gosh, the world is ending as we know it. But that's not true. It wouldn't be such a big issue, you know. STEM subjects should be something that should be encouraged by abazali vele and should be encouraged perhaps maybe at school so that your students, your learners, your children will be what's interested into lama careers lawa ukuthi they want to be in AI or, you know, as you know it, the fourth industrial revolution. Yabo. It is such a non-issue. Now it's the big issue. It's such a non-issue. Because in my perspective, we are just learning about other people. We are learning to coexist, and we are learning. If we say this part of education shouldn't be here, we are behaving like isita, as you would say, Zero. We are hoarding certain information for the public. People should know. People should have access to information. And if we can information then what are we trying to pose? Yabo? And I think maybe it should be like specific. Okay, maybe grade by I don't know. You know, I'm just a human being like the rest of you. And And yeah, maybe it shouldn't be something that is there, but abantu like abasaba, they're afraid, they are scared. How am I the LGBT community? And I see what you guys as a person, sorry, I'm just gonna be jump to topic, but yeah, you guys need to the West the propaganda that is being pushed by Donald Trump has such an influence in Africa and South Africa because yonke lento ayikaze ibe khona, but ever since that orange man came into the what power and his propaganda, people suddenly, oh my gosh, kanjani amagezi wacima kaphela kade kusho wena futhi zero ukuthi kade kune-strike khona kade bengekho bahleli la ku-TikTok but asikho ke lapho ke. It is such a non-issue. Like honestly, to be honest, nje, it is such a non-issue. Kuyinto nje engabo mhlawumbe engekho nkulu kangako. Gender studies is something in okwamanje engiyibona kakhulu in varsity and nje angakoyiboni nje esikoleni. And that is perfectly fine. But I so wish ukuthi my parents knew about the LGBT community, my siblings and my community. Maybe I wouldn't be this person that I am with, but I had to navigate life on my own. And I thank you for giving maybe like us a space and to share my story. I find it's me against the whole world. And it's like should it be allowed? Should it be not allowed? I find myself being a political statement, political. My existence is political. 1 minute legal, the next minute I'm not legal, and the psyche that it causes to a human being, 1 minute the next minute all this violence that is being perpetrated. Guys, the LGBT community has honestly underwent some of the most severe violence. And abantu nje bayithatha kancane as a light issue, but it is an issue because abantu do kill the LGBT. We don't know. Maybe those are the question we should be asking ourselves. Why is it this community doesn't mean that's more homophobic? We are scared of gays. It could be that you are triggered by the gay community or whatever. There's so many terms. Phobia isn't just a fear; it's like a broader term. And like in contacting but yeah, it's something that is far. But essentially, in thing you show currently it is a non-issue. That deep. That deep. It's just a certain part of I'm getting lost. But
Hi, Teflon, welcome. Pegwake Putumtal. Not that deep. Please unmute yourself, Teflon. Sector on the mic. I'm sure there's something you want to say.
Zero mfowethu. Sathemba niyaphila. Ngayizwa itopic. Uzongixolela kwethu ngomsindo lobhabhaza ngemuva qedwa kudontsheni ngoba manje ifanolo ngiyathingathi. Ngiyamuzwa uGatsheni uNdlovu boya benyathe. Hayi. Mfo wami. Uyalibeka lona udaba lapho kodwa mina ke nje ngizokuphikisa futhi. Ngizokuphikisa nje. Akukho engavumelana ngakho nawe kukona. Angivumelani nje mina nalokho kushoyo. Ukuyibeka nje inkulumo icace. Anginankinga mina nalolu phiko lolu enuyilona. But la nginenkinga khona ila kuthenini khona manje kumele lento ifakwe nasezikoleni ifundise izingane. First of all, izingane uma zisancane ayikwazi ukuthi zicabangele zona ngokuphelele. Ingane isangadideka usuku olulodwa nje. Othisha beyibone mhlawumbe ikhonze ukudlala nabafana okanye umfana ekhonze ukudlala namantombazane. Lento manje misifundiswe ezikoleni kusho ukuthi nje lezo izingane lezi ezisuke isadidekile izaqhubha ubungane kuyovele kuthiwa hayi wena uhlukile wena wena uyinto ethize kanje ingane ingagcina isiholeleke entweni engasiyona. So nje mina mfowethu angivumelani nalento lokuthi ifundiswe ezikoleni lento le. Mina nje ngiyibona izodida isizwe. It fine isiyenzekile nafika sanivuma siyazama ukuphilisana nani kodwa phela isimo ningasenzi sibe nzima uma senifuna futhi ukuthi uphiko lwenu ludlondlobale luzolifike nasezikolweni. No asikwazi leyo nto leyo izosimoshela izingane because izingane njengoba bese ngimentionile before ukuthi izingane uma zisancane azikwazi ukuyicabangela zona ngokuphelele ziyadinga ukuthi ziboniswe umzali. Manje nje ingane ngathi isancane fika umuntu esezoyitshena ingane ethi hayi wena ngane yami I can see and tell ukuthi ufola under LGBTQ. That is nonsense. Uzodida ingane isancane. Ingane iyozikhule izibe ndala ikhulela entweni engasiyona. Phela sonke siyazi ukuthi akusiyina nonke eni Rainbow Nation enizeniguge ni Rainbow Nation. Abanye benu bayashintsha endleleni. Umuntu ashintshe selapha ko 45 ko 50. Omama bashintshe bathola abayini bashada. So ila ngivile ngiyibuze khona ke mina ukuthi kanti into yalabantu laba ithini? Ungafika uhamba ushumayela ukuthi yilokhu nakho sesiyakubona usushintshile usuyashada usunezingane. Mina nje yabona angingixheki kodwa futhi manje le ndlela lena ke esenifuna kwenzeke ngayo ngiyayiphikisa ke mina. Ngingalwa nje ngize nginqamuke izandla. Okokuqala futhi thina njengama African sabantu abanama culture sihlonipha usiko. Manje uma usushonileke wena uyilolu phiko loloyilona masikwenzela umcimbi sofike sithi senzela abantu umcimbi. Mashisa impepho sofike sikubize ngaliphi idlozi. Sofike sithini masikhuleka lapha nashisa impepho. Sothi sikhuleka kuwe mkhulu bani. Sokubiza ngomkhulu noma sokubiza ngogogo. Ikona kuphi uyobizwa ngakho. Lento le imifakwe einganeni izingane zizodideka iphele. Ingane ingane mase kumele ikhuliswe yenzela umhlonyana noma yenzela umemulo. Kuyofika kuthiwa ubani owenzela umemulo. Kukhulisa umfana oyindodakazi. Kukhulisa indodakazi umfana.
Yebo baba.
Khona ezinye izinto okumele wena mfoka gatsheni siyibheke singayibheki ngesayidi lokuthi hayi vele into ekhona ezokwenzeka. But khona ekumele sikubheke sibone ukuthi lokhu kusangagwemeka kulungiseke. Ngoba bese ngimentionile before ukuthi it fine. Angilwi nophiko lenu but engilwa nakho ukuthi lento ifundiswe einganeni. Akukwazi kwenzeka lokho because phela kushuthi isizwe sethu siyophela nya mangathiwa lokho kuyenzeka. Angeke kwabakhona amadoda, angeke kwabakhona abantu besifazane. Kuyophela nje nya ngesizwe sabantu abamnyama. Siyobuswa abantu nabo abangayiqondi ukuthi bayilona lokhu uphiko. Umuntu oyophilela ukuthi yena umevuka ngakusasa uba indoda, umevuka ngakusasa ube usifazane. Umuntu nje aphile nje lokhu akufunayo. So kuyoba inkinga ke lokho ukuthi isizwe sigcine sesinabantu abaningi kodwa futhi egcineni abazazi ukuthi bamephi. Lento iyinkinga ngempela because manje if futhi iyafakwa ngempela ezikoleni izingane ziyafundiswa yena ngibuza ningiphala ulimi angeke sibe nanzalo thina. Izizukulwane nje esilandelayo into engeke sibe nje nayo. Angeke kusa reproducewa ngeke kusaba khona abanye abantu kuyophilelana ngoba phela siyazi ukuthi uphiko lwenu futhi alukwazi ukuzalisana lulodwa. For example owesilisa nowesilisa abakwazi ukuzalisana, nowesifazane abakwazi ukuzalisana. Even if kuthiwa kuyafuneka lokhu kwenziwe onke lama procedure lawo escience adinga imali eningi kakhulu. And ngiyazi ukuthi leyo mali leyo ibiza kakhulu ukuthi ingamaintaina yonke leyo nto leyo. So kungaba inkinga nje leyo nto leyo because izomosha isizwe. Isizwe kushuthi kuyogcwala nje kuyogcwala abantu abangazazi abadidekile. Ngoba phela lento leyo umevunyelwe kushuthi nalokho kuthiwa ama maps laba bathi bathanda izingane ezincane nabo kuyohamba kuthiwa ezikolweni akufundiswe ngabo. mina lento phela ngiyibona ihlukile. Ngibona nje mina lento ifana le i-LGBTQ nama-maps ukuthi nje kuhluka indlela epresentwa ngayo. So-ke nje ngiyacela nje bafowethu vele nina sesinamukelile badala, ngiyacabanga niyayazi into eniyenza vele abanye benu bayashintsha sebebadala umuntu akhulele kuleli banga. So-ke lento asingayifaka ey'nganeni simoshe iy'ngane. Kuyaye kuthiwa ligotshwa lisemanzi, iy'ngane ziyekeleleni nje sizoyiqondisa thina. Mina niqhubeke nento yenu, asinayo inkinga nayo into yenu, satshenwa ngayo sayamukela. Philani-ke ngendlela yenu, ningafuni ukuthi phela nani nize ngapha nizomosha iy'ngane ngoba phela uma nimosha iy'ngane kusho ukuthi nimosha ikusasa lesizwe sethu sonke.
Asasiyimosha iy'ngane.
No akwazi phela ukuba njalo.
Niyamosha period.
If uzotshena ingane ukuthi wena mntanami awusiyena lo muntu ocabanga ukuthi uyena njengoba nje unetotolozi, no kwaba yiphutha. Umdala akalenzi iphutha umedala umuntu. Umdala akalenzi iphutha ngoba kuyafana ngisho ubulili urecognizewa ubulili obubili, owesifazane nowesilisa. Even though sekwahamba kwaze kwafika la sekumele khona sinamukele. Inkinga yayi kade ikhona ke ngaphambilini kodwa manje sesiyazama ke phela ukunamukela nani ningenzi izinto zibe nzima ngokuthi niqhubeke nifuna ukwenza umonakalo omkhulu kakhulu nimosha iy'ngane zakwethu. Ngiyanicela phela ake ngithethe labanye bakhulume nginganabi kakhulu.
Ngicela ukukhuluma mase ngiyahamba-ke mina. Ngiyakuzwa kakhulu baba, ukhulumile nje futhi amazwi aphusile futhi ngiyakuzwa ukuthi umuntu nje osokhulile and osedlulile ezintweni. Mina engizokusho ukuthi we are worried about something that is a non-issue. I'm going to go back to that, but ngiyazi ukuthi lapho sikhuluma ngezinto engase yenzeke judging by our Department of Education, but we are worried about a non-issue. Into nje engekho lena. Uyabona lento leyo. It's not in schools, and I'm just going to speak and leave. It's not in schools, and even if it is in schools, isuke isilaphana ngama ababanga angaphezulu. Where grade 7 or whatever. For nakhona, I've never even experienced that myself. I didn't hear anything. And the other thing is, you guys, I'm not saying you do think like this, but I feel like abanye abantu babona education as education yamanje, as an indoctrination. Like education yakudala ukuthi they were just training you ukuthi wazi ulokhu nalokhu and don't question anything. But education yamanje, it is to make us critical thinkers. We view things in different ways, and we also understand that we have different views. I mean, I have no right to disagree with anyone here, with any parents la, and you are worried. You are worried to mean I'm going to go to the classroom and tell your girl that she can have a penis, which is not the case. The LGBT normal gender studies, it is not teaching about that. It is mainly teaching about gender, certain things are constructed, are socially constructed, like race is socially constructed, like gender is socially constructed. Now I'm just picking up from Pezul. What this gender study is essentially saying that certain roles are socially constructed, and as we move up, izoshintsha. I'm fond of feminism la, but think about feminism and the current age and how it is viewed as what perhaps now they are trying to dominate the males, which is not the case. But I'm trying to get to the point of which that is what gender studies is. Gender studies is just trying to deconstruct the education system. We are becoming critical thinkers. We are questioning the books that Eswatolayo. We are questioning religion. we are questioning authority, not per se authority, but certain rules that were given to us. We're questioning them. Like, do they really benefit us or benefit some of us? But yeah, I'm from cool onto that. But we are definitely it's a non-issue. It is a non-issue, and yes, it is an issue for abazali. It's panic. But that is not true. That is not what the LGBT gender studies is. It is saying that there are people who belong to this category and these categories, and you should respect them. Njengoba kade ngisho ukuthi hayi uright mina bengifunda ngalokho kuphela lokho kuzogculisa nina ke emphakathi. Ikona ke lokho okuveli okufundwayo. We are not indoctrinating. Asifundisi ingane ukuthi ya wena kusasa nje uzokhula nje ube njena ke nje ube ilento le ofisa ukuba yona. No. We are just giving out knowledge. We are feeding knowledge, and we are deconstructing. We are
Azidingi leyo knowledge.
All right.
No, like isn't that they can like.
Wait, I see it now. But you must understand. Personally,
Utu says you've been quiet. What do you want
Okay,
to say?
Mina, what I wanted to say, we would see if they.
Sawubona and welcome.
Salmon Nekai, hope ni right man. Zero man. Long time, man.
Yeah, it's been a while, Putumtali.
It's been a while, man. Ngiyajabula ukuthi namhlanje ngibe khona like ngiyayiva le khona. Bonke abantu ba right kuphana. Zero. For me personally, I don't think kubalekile ukuthi we can introduce lento le ezikolweni. I think we've simukelile lento le yabo, and that should be enough. Kuma communities wethu ukuthi we've already accepted ukuthi bakhona abafethu abaphila lempilo le. Na noma kusesinzima ukuthi si understand sonke, but kuma communities wethu it seems like sesi acceptile. Therefore angicabanga ukuthi sekumele siyiforce manje ezikolweni. Yabo, there's a lot we can teach our kids. Ngaphandle nje kwalento le ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi ube so kanti awuseso. Because akusinto akukho la ingasisa khona. Asindawo like asindawo ngalento le. Yabo. It's good ukuthi abantu nabakhetha ukuba njalo babe njalo, but to teach our kids from basesebancane ukuthi no normalize ukuthi wena kungenzeka kube so, because some of these kids bazoyithatha ngokuthi it's a lifestyle. Yabona? Bazoyithatha ngokuthi no ngingaba ilento le bese ngiphinde futhi ngishintsha ngiba yilokhu ngoba kusho ukuthi kuvumelekile ukuthi ngingenza noma ngayini into engifuna ukuyenza. Whereby abanye sebazobe sebayenzani ba actor. Bazobe sebaye-actor lento le ene akukho la izosiza khona nje community. Therefore ukuyifaka esikolweni it will be ayishangazi kuzobe nje kuyi-chaos. Education system yethu iyabheda kungimanje. So to add this sizobe sesiyimosha kakhulu yabo. Ngoba kungimanje silo nokuthi vele ayikho mnandi education system yethu. So we need to imeli ilungiseke. So mase sifaka lokhu instead ukuthi ilungise sesiyayimosha. Yabo, so I believe ukuthi it's not something we need to worry about ukuthi singaze siconsider ukufaka la ngesikolweni. I don't see it taking us anywhere. Yeah.
Okay. Putumtala hai.
Ngiyaphila bafowethu.
Siyaphila.
Ngibonga bafowethu ukumamukelela noma ngiqala ukungena kuleli khaya. Ngiyasiza ihloko sijule kakhulu. Cha nami ngizothi mfowethu ngokombono wami ezinye zezinto hayi ngoba kuyikhona ezinye zefashion lifestyle. Mina ngikhulwe lento mfowethu ifihlwa isathu ichilo. Hayi ngalendlela sekwenzeka ngamanje ngoba mfowethu uNkulunkulu akudale or idalo zakhe likudale ube umuntu wesilisa ukuthi uphathe ushintshe ube umuntu wesifazane. Ngokwazi kwami no umuntu olandela isintu usuke ukhona into wrong ekumele ilungiswe ekhaya ubuyele ebulilini bakho. Kodwa ezinye izinto zonke ukufunda ekhayizini uhulumeni uzama ndlela ngokusigqilaza ngezinto ngesibone ngazo asothi mase kubuka phambi kwamehlo sikubona ukukuhle. Kufana nenkolo. Inkolo into futhi esigqilazayo kodwa ngokuthina balwa ngayo uyibona uwrong usulwela ilungelo lakho. So ngizama ukuthi ngamanye amazwi yakho nasiyakumukela noma sakumukeli futhi kahle ngoba sebandile abantu asebelolu hlobo lolu ogcina ungasaunderstand noma bayimfashini noma ukuyela ngaphakathi omunye uthi aba nengane ashintshe umuntu like mhlawumbe umfana ube nomntwana sesiyabona ukuthi umuntu esifazane nginga understand ususedalwa yini lapho okusho ukuthi kahle hle hayi ngoba usuthanda style hayi ngoba kuyinto ngempela and izingane ziyalimala ezikhulayo zizokhula zibone ngalento inhle kanti into kuthina size semnyama ichilwe ihlazo nesikhulu sande bafowethu obuka even pheshe uTrump bathi ubulili bubili umuntu ophila nalobu ubulili akabufuni ngoba fanele uyibuze ukuthi ubhilonga ngiphi yabona uyilo mazwi ngiyabonga bafowethu.
Thank you Busisiwe. Hi.
Good morning, everyone. Molweni bethu nani. Hey, Zero. Now I'm talking from experience of as a parent who has a girl that is uyilento. Sorry, uyilento. But guys, now I've got my rules in my home, and they are for my home. I don't subscribe to something that I believe in my home, that I believe that I zunika abantwana bami future. I said to my daughter, now you are a woman, God created you as a woman. Guys, singathi God, sithi umdali, the creator, created you as a woman. And now when you decide that you are not a woman, that you are a man. So what is the point of me upper endlini having things, building a house, doing all these things? Who's going to inherit these things? 2, when I gave you an opportunity to give birth to you, when you are not giving another person, another child to be given birth by you, how selfish can you be? When I gave you an opportunity to ba uzise umntana emhlabeni, I mean, when you bekhona and exist fully, but when now you are preventing generations after you to exist. And this thing where you can transform and be from a man and be a woman. Yes, bayakwazi ukutransform bakunike everything, but you can never give birth. Awunayo iwomb. And noba ngconstructor bakufake iwomb, you won't be able umzimba wakho, because umzimba wethu bafazi is created emaphakadeni ukuthi ukwazi uadjusta certain things, certain body parts, ukuze nikwazi uaccommodate a child for inyanga ezi9, even to 10, even to 11 kwi-cases ezingezinye. But look at the man's body. A man's body cannot carry. Ayidalwanga ba flexible in that sense, and the science can never do that. Science can never do that. I cannot be that flavor, do all those things. Let's move on, guys. It is the same thing. I know that I'm going to get a beating from you guys on this one. This thing is not even the white people's thing. It's satanic. It is the heathens' satanic. It's the same thing as religion. It's the same thing as intermarriage. Marrying white people. It's the same thing. They're getting rid. It's whitewashing. They are getting rid of us. They are getting rid of us. They introduce these things. At the end of the day, guys. Even if you can force these things in it, mazenze cases accept communities zethu. uNkulunkulu akudalile kuyaba yilonto kuyiyo. This intermarriage, I find even to crossbreed animals, but white people are doing it. They are comfortable in doing things. Now here's a question, Domnyam. Why are white people comfortable in crossing izinto umdala angasifuniyo? Why are they comfortable? If they are saying that we are created, they are also created like us. Why is it that therefore they are izinto zabo abasizisayo are not things as akhayo? Zizinto as against umdali. Futhi, race. There's no such thing as race. There's a bloodline. But speaking race because they are blinding us from something. There are bloodlines. And once the bloodline yakho cross, once ungabi namntana, ungaproduce, that bloodline is gone. It is gone forever. Once you produce with a white person, that child is no longer black. That child is no longer white. That child is an hybrid. It's a different bloodline completely. So these things abelungu bayazibeka to destroy us black people. Bona, they know they are iphakade labo. Trust me, they already know each iphakade labo. When they brought religion, they knew iphakade labo bona. Sithi aba bangalazi iphakade lethu. Bona, they know. The thing that we're supposed to be doing now, it is to go back as black people and research where did these white people come from. If we concentrate on that, we will know. We will know we are gender yabo and we will know whose they are. Because they are not from the same creator as us. On all these things that they're introducing, all of them, Uichong and J0 and the panel and everybody that is listening, they are not for us. There's nothing that is for black people. Whether you are in USA, you are in Europe, if you are a black person, everything is made for you. Ukuti mauqedeke. Because nothing about you. For whatever that's going to happen, something is going to happen. Whether it's judgment, whether it's a forever life, but to forever life, participate if you're noticing it. Whatever it is, whatever we are believing that our tomorrow is, is planned by the white people not to participate in that thing, by everything that they're doing to us. And in everything they bring if foreigners, also means are foreigners. They are paid to do that. They know. There are people that are given as foreigners to make things better. In Christianity, they did the same thing. Whitewashing omnyama kuchata nomlungu azibone right kind nomlungu azibone ukuthi ungumntu kind nomlungu. They had foreigners of these things. Enkosi Zero.
Yo, Sesibusiso, that's deep. Yo, ha. Okay, let's go to Zulu. Zulu, hi. Hey, Sesibusiso. Ha.
Angisanibona bafethu, ngibona bafethu. Yebo,
Sabona.
ngiyaphila bafethu. Hey, nami ngifuna ukuthi mangiphawule phezu kwamazwi kaBusisiwe. Ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi uBusisiwe ngiyacabanga ukuthi le ndaba ayikhuluma ngayo uyikha phezulu. Yena kahle kahle uyayazi indaba afuna ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi iyiqiniso, kodwa ngiya-understand ukuthi iningi lethu singabantu abamnyama sikhuliswe ebugqilini, safundiswa amanga, sathatha amanga sawaphila njengeqiniso, njengoba namhlanje asilazi iqiniso ngokuthi singobani thina. Kodwa uBusisiwe ufunguza nendaba ejulileyo, indaba futhi eyiyona ezosenza sikhululeke singabantu abamnyama, kodwa yena uyikha ngaphezulu. Akangeni ngokujula, ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi okwenze engangeni ngokujula wenzela abanye abantu, ngoba njengoba ekhuluma whatever abantu abamhlophe abakwenzayo, they try ukuthi bachithe thina singabantu abamnyama, of which is true, kuyiqiniso lokho, ngoba thina siyibo nabo bayithi. According, ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abaningi abantu abamnyama iBhayibheli balithatha njengokuthi yinto eyabuya nabelungu kumbe into yabelungu, kodwa siyazi nje kukhona abanye abantu abazi iqiniso ukuthi iBhayibheli liwumlando wokhokho bethu. But mase sikhuluma njalo abanye abantu basuka bahlukana ngokomqondo, ngoba sikhuliswe sitshela ukuthi into yabelungu, kodwa iBhayibheli mawulifunda lona likutshela ngathi thina abantu abamnyama, likutshela ngezwe lethu elibizwa ngelesithembiso elinakho konke, likutshele ngabo bona abelungu thina esikholwa ukuthi into yabo. uNkulunkulu ekutshela ukuthi yibona bayogqilaza abantu bakhe ezweni la, yibona bayothatha umhlaba wabantu bakaNkulunkulu babagqilaze ezweni labo. abanye bazobathatha babadayisele emazweni abo aphesheya. Njengoba babona namhlanje bakhona abantu esibabiza ngokuthi ngama-Black Americans nabantu ama-Caribbeans, ama-Jamaicans. Those people ngokhokho bethu abathathwa bayodayiselwa phansi nge-slave trade ngoba lisho iBhayibheli ukuthi u-Israyeli uzodayiswa ngezikebhe. Kuthi insali yalaba abashiyekileyo ezweni labo bagqilazwe. Isizwe esingakhonzi uNkulunkulu. Isizwe esinesihluku esingahloniphi uNkulunkulu. Ngoba konke lokho akwenzanga kwenzeke esizweni sabelungu. Asikaze sufunda umlando sitshela ukuthi abelungu bake badayiswa ngezikebhe, abelungu bake bagqilazwa, abelungu bake namanye ngoba liyasho iBhayibheli lithi bayoqhubeka begqilaziwe kuze kube iminyaka eyi-400. Babu ulibuye kwenye indawo iBhayibheli likuchazela ukuthi bahlala phansi bahlela ngabantu bami. Benza sure ukuthi igama elithi Israel lingabuyi likhunjulwe futhi ebantwini bami. Kungakho kwenye indawo uNkulunkulu ethi abantu bami bayabhubha ngenxa yokuswela ulwazi ngoba asizazi ukuthi singobani thina abantu abamnyama. Batshontsha ubuzwe bethu bazibiza ngokuthi bona bayisizwe esikhethiwe kodwa eqinisweni akuboni isizwe esikhethiwe. Kodwa whatever abakuhlelayo ngathi basenza ukuthi singakhonzi uNkulunkulu ngoba uNkulunkulu uthi uma ningayigcini imithetho yami noma niyisizwe sami ngizoniqalekisa niphuma, ngiqalekise ningena, ngiqalekise nilala, ngiliqalekise livuka. Nizophila ngesiqalekiso nina nesizukulwane senu nxa isikhuluma ngama-Israyeli. Uthi kodwa izizwe eziliphetheyo ziyophila kamnandi ezweni lenu, zidla umnotho wenu, zithatha umnotho wenu ziyokwakha izizwe zazo. Kodwa konke lokho siyakubona kwenzeka namhlanje, siphila ngeziqalekiso konke nje kwenzeka. Kodwa sengisho ukuthi amazwi kaBusisi yomile siwathathe serious, siwathathe siwaphile ngoba ajulile, akhuluma ngathi. Even though abaningi kuyoba nzima ukuthi bakuqonde konke lokho esikhuluma ngakho.
I'm sorry for cutting you off, Butumtana. I'm sorry for cutting you off. Sengizovala live, but yeah, kade ngi-live. But ngiyabonga to everyone who joined. Sayikhuluma le ndaba le because it needed to be discussed, yabo. Bekumele sikhulume ngayo, we had to. I think ngizobuya angazi ngizobona nini. But ngizobuya siqhubeke senze live again. Yeah, it's a lot to unpack, especially when it comes to the LGBTQ plus community. Ngiyabonga everyone who joined. Mandaba ezitha ngiyabuya, and when I'm back ngizorequest again phinda ubuye. Yabo, let me follow you. Okay, sengikulandelile. Yeah, bye. Yamba man, ngine flu ila, I can feel it. Yes.